All right, everyone. I really want to welcome you to today's tutorial. And if you are just joining me for the first time, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button. And the reason is just that whenever I drop any single video, the system will notify you. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I welcome you to today's class. And this class is going to be great and interesting. Today we shall be talking about how to create how to create a good and easy logo. As a graphic designer, one of the things that you need to learn professionally is how to come up with great logos, good designs logo, and so on and so forth. And today, I'm going to teach you how to create a very simple logo alphabetically. There are some logos that you don't need to symbolize by using objects, but just the first name of each letter. And I think is one of the best way and easy way to come up or to coin out logo as a graphic designer, especially if you're working for a big organization. For instance, one of the logo that I know that was coined out from its name, I'm going to mention the name, is Netflix. You can see that when you see Netflix logo, it starts with N. So that is a very beautiful way of coming up with an alphabetical logo. Another name of company that coin out the name of their logo in an alphabet form is HP. So when you see an HP laptop, you find out that the name itself, the alphabet name itself, has its own full name. But the person that designed the logo or the owner of the company decided to use the alphabet's first alphabetical letter in the name to coin out a logo. So this is what I want to do for you guys. So I'm going to use all this to come up with the logo. So, and I want you guys to follow me till the end as we go into the practical aspects. Look at this. This is HP. Like we all know, HP has its own logo. Though I'm not going to use HP normal logo, which is small letter stuff. All right. This is actually how HP logo looks like. Okay. This is how it actually looks, but in a form like this. All right. So it makes your work easy and simple. Coming up with great logo using the first alphabet to create a logo is always a top notch. Now I'm going to use my own I'm going to come up with my own way of creating a logo. I don't want to use HP stuff, so let me do it this way. Okay, can you see that? Can you see this? All right, so let's move on. Let's move on. So what you need to do here is to join these two together. All right, join these two together. Okay, so how do you make them? You click on both, then click on Control Q. So once you click on Control Q, then come here to your property bar and click Word. So after clicking Word, then to make it look nice and creative, so I need to cut out this. Okay, this is my logo. It is as simple as this. This is my logo. It is as simple as this. So I can use any color. Then I can come up with another one. Let me use Unlight. So we are using just the alphabet to create our logo. So Unlight. So I'm going to use same character. All right. Okay, so what do I need to do here? H on lights. Let me do this. Okay, I just want you guys to keep watching. I only want to use H. Okay, go for a good font. All right, and I'm using a bulb to create light. All right, so I'm using a bulb to create lights. You see that? So I'm using a bulb to create lights. Okay, this is a bulb, right? So that's why I said, as a graphic designer, you need to be creative. You need to be creative. Okay, this is a bulb. This is a bulb that shines light. Can you see that? Can you see that? All right. So let's now move on and see another one. Okay, let's see happiness. All right, happiness. So I'm using H as well. All right, I'm using H as well. Let me use this font. Okay, let's use this font. All right, let's use this font. So what I need to do here is Control key to break it. Right. So okay. Okay. I think I missed something here. Let me go back. Okay. Just keep watching and follow my step. All right. Follow my step. What's this? Okay. Right, so you can just put this here. It is as simple as that. As you can see, it is as simple as that. This is another one. Okay, so let's go to this one. Let's go to this E. All right, so I think I've done 3 types of logo here. 3 types of logo in a space of few minutes. All right, then let's see this. What can I? And nitrogen edge. So what I need to do here is to come up with the first alphabetical letter. All right, let's see. I'm using almost one font to coin out my stuff. So my what is it called? My logo rather. Sorry for that. So what I need to do here is this. Just as a graphic designer, you have no choice than to know how to come up with great concepts. Okay, you just have to know how to do it. So the best way you can learn is to come to my channel, watch each of my videos, watch it and watch it, and you learn creativity. So what do I need to do here? Bring this down, do this, flip it around, and the same thing. Right. So this is my logo. This is my logo. So I can now use this to flip it. Okay. All right. This is it. I can decide to leave it this way. I can do this. Okay. This is the best way and easy way to design a logo. So let me do one. Let me do one more. All right. Let's do uh heading. All right, so here, okay, come on with this. Okay, so what do I need to do here? Break it. Okay, that's it. Or just then bring this in. Okay, hope you are learning. All right, this is the best way you can come up with simple logo. Hope you guys can see. Hope you guys can see. This is one. This is another one. Okay. This is another one. Right. This is another one. Okay. Last thing. This is another one. So it is as simple as that. It is as simple as this. This is what out of many that I have, this is the few I am able to teach you guys today. And in my next class, I'll be teaching you guys more of how to come up with good and fantastic logos. Thank you for staying, and I wish you all the best, even as you learn and learn and learn. God bless you. Bye.